What's the max amount of sales you made in a day?
30 lakhs a day. 12 crores.
What do you do?
I'm a museologist, like a person who studies museum, work in a museum. I am a business development independent consultant for a couple of different businesses. And coincidentally, you stopped me, I also mentor students regularly in a couple of very famous engineering and MBA colleges in Bangalore.
Oh my God, बहुत कुछ करते हो आप.
नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं. मैं तो बोलती हूँ कुछ नहीं. It's just जो भी आता है मैं कर लेती हूँ.
Now I retired way back in 2019 when my husband retired. Now I'm just enjoying myself, coming on a vacation. My children are here, coming and meeting them.
At what age did you start earning?
24, I guess, yeah. 1990 when I was 20.
Same age as her, 20.
What was your first salary?
My first salary was 10K. That's very embarrassing in today's generation where you all earn lakhs, but I'll be very honest, 3,000.
Way back in 1991. Then you'll be shocked by my salary. I think the maids also get paid more than that. It was 1,300.
What do you do?
I have a factory, so we make compressors.
I used to work in IT.
Does your friend owe you money?
Yes.
How much?
About 50,000.
Around, I'm not sure, like 5 to 10K.
And why are you not asking?
It's not that I'm not asking. I do try my best.
Forgotten that amount, but if he sees this, he'll definitely not give me. But then,
We are going to help you out.
yeah.
How much salary you think do we need to have a good life in Bangalore?
Around 70 to 80K.
See, my kids are working now in Bangalore, and whatever they are earning, they still feel they need more.
Very difficult question. You can do with 50,000, you can do with 5 lakhs. I can be happy with 50 to 60,000 also if need be, but of course, 5 lakhs would be a dream. Why not?
What do you do?
I just completed my engineering few months back. We deal with math and data.
I'm senior systems engineer at Infosys. I'm a field technical sales and marketing engineer.
How often do you update your resume?
Every 4 months, not pretty often, but the last I updated was like 2 weeks back.
Once in 2 months, depending on what new skills I learn.
What's the most important thing in a resume?
Right keywords and the skill set that you need to define about yourself.
I think it'll be mostly how you format your resume. Just keep mainly texts.
What I would keep updating in my resume is the achievements that I've done in the past few months. If there's something that I've achieved or something that I've got or given to the company back or something that I've developed on. So if I have new skills, that's what I would put in my resume.
What would you rate the sales profession on the scale of 0 to 10?
I would say 8 because we have to lie sometimes, so it's 8.
4. I feel it is difficult.
8.5.
What do you think sales as a profession?
That is the only profession where you can go from the bottom to the top.
How?
Based on your targets, you keep meeting your targets, you outsmart your targets, you keep achieving more than what it is required, and then you keep growing.
Obviously, those guys are very confident. Communication is their strong key. They have the guts to approach people, cold call people, cold mail people. They do spend a lot of time talking to strangers, so they develop their communication skills on the job.
That normal people can't do.
Yeah, normal people can't actually.
Do you think everyone should do a sales job at least once in their life?
Should, but it's not everybody's cup of tea, and it won't be everybody's strength.
Yes, because then you realize how difficult it is. Working is not easy.
What's the average package for a freshers in sales?
It depends. What is the qualification that they're into masters? I think the average package would be about 7.5 lakhs per annum. So if you would consider the FMCG or manufacturing industry of equipments, I would say that your starting package would be nearly 16.
What is that one thing you can sell with your eyes closed?
Education. I can impart education. Now I'm doing that. Like I have children in my community, in my neighborhood, who do come to me and they do take reference and they take some knowledge from me.
Once I understand the product fully and totally put my efforts into it, I would say anything.
What's the max amount of sales you made in a day or week or month?
For my company, I've earned about 30 lakhs a day.
30 lakhs in one day.
Yeah. That was my best day. 12 crores
12 crores a month or a day?
a day.
मुझे लगता है I have to switch my career now. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई तो please do comment and also don't forget to like, share and subscribe.